The Internet of Things, IoT, is a vast network of interconnected physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity, enabling them to collect and exchange data. These things are capable of interacting with each other, with centralized systems, and with human users. The IoT ecosystem aims to create a seamless, data-driven environment where objects can communicate, analyze information, and make intelligent decisions without requiring human intervention. Applications of IoT. The applications of IoT are diverse and have the potential to transform various industries and aspects of our daily lives. Here, we'll discuss some of the key areas where IoT is making a significant impact. Smart home automation. IoT devices like smart thermostats, lights, and security systems allow homeowners to control and monitor their homes remotely. Home appliances can communicate with each other to optimize energy usage and enhance convenience. Healthcare. Wearable IoT devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches can monitor vital signs, track activity, and provide health data to users and healthcare providers. Remote patient monitoring enables doctors to keep tabs on patients' health conditions without frequent in-person visits. Transportation. IoT is revolutionizing the automotive industry with connected cars and autonomous vehicles. Smart traffic management systems reduce congestion and improve road safety. Logistics and fleet management benefit from real-time tracking of vehicles and cargo. Smart cities. IoT technology is used to create smarter, more efficient cities. This includes intelligent traffic lights, waste management, energy-efficient street lighting, and environmental monitoring. These solutions aim to improve urban planning, reduce resource consumption, and enhance the quality of life for residents. Industrial IoT. Manufacturing and industrial processes are optimized through sensors and IoT devices. Predictive maintenance helps reduce downtime by monitoring the condition of machinery and predicting when maintenance is required. Agriculture. Precision agriculture uses IoT for soil and weather monitoring, crop health analysis, and automated irrigation systems. This leads to increased crop yields and more sustainable farming practices. Retail. Retailers use IoT for inventory management, supply chain optimization, and personalized shopping experiences. Beacons and RFID tags help enhance customer engagement and streamline operations. Energy and utilities. Smart grids and meters enable better energy management, grid stability, and reduced energy waste. Water and gas utilities use IoT for more efficient resource distribution and conservation. Environmental monitoring. IoT devices are deployed for monitoring and addressing environmental concerns, such as air and water quality, weather forecasting, and wildlife conservation. Security and surveillance. IoT-based security systems offer real-time video monitoring, access control, and intrusion detection. Smart surveillance cameras and sensors enhance safety and security in residential and commercial settings. Supply chain and logistics. IoT devices and sensors are utilized for tracking goods, managing inventory, and ensuring efficient delivery and distribution. Asset tracking. Companies can track the location and condition of valuable assets, such as containers, equipment, and packages, using IoT technology. Smart building management. IoT systems in buildings optimize energy usage, monitor air quality, and enhance security and safety. Wearable technology. Beyond healthcare, wearables are used in fitness, sports, and augmented reality applications. Education and smart classrooms. IoT enhances the learning experience with connected devices, interactive whiteboards, and smart educational tools. These applications illustrate the breadth of IoT's impact on various sectors, offering solutions that improve efficiency, enhance safety, reduce costs, and provide valuable data insights. As technology continues to advance, the IoT ecosystem will evolve, creating new opportunities and addressing challenges in an increasingly connected world.